Inheritance. Most of your characteristics, such as your eye color and nose shape, are controlled by several different genes that interact. However, some characteristics, such as black or brown fur color in mice, are controlled by one single gene. Some human characteristics, such as color blindness in red and green, are also controlled by single genes. The way single gene features like these are passed from one generation to another follows some clear patterns. You can use them to predict what may be passed on to the next generation. They are much easier to work with and understand than the majority of characteristics that result from multiple genes. Many of these genes have different forms, or variants, which are called alleles. Each allele codes for a different protein. The combination of alleles you inherit will determine your characteristics. We can make biological models that help us predict the outcome of any genetic cross, so any mating between parents. These are the genetic terms you will need to know before we discuss genetic crossings. A homozygote is an individual with two identical alleles for one gene. So, for example, a homozygote would be a person with both alleles for black eye color. We say this person is homozygous for the eye color gene, or homozygous for black eye color. A heterozygote is an individual with different alleles for a characteristic. So, for example, it's a person with the allele for black eye color and another allele for the brown eye color. This is a heterozygote. The genotype is what describes the alleles present or the genetic makeup of an individual regarding a particular characteristic. So the genotype is what tells you what alleles you have for a particular gene. The phenotype is actually the physical appearance of the genotype. So the phenotype is what describes the physical appearance of an individual regarding the particular characteristic.